Hello everyone, welcome to our channel NetJRF Gurukul. My name is Pragati Karwande. In this video, we are going to learn about Sustainable Development Goals. We have already done with Millennium Development Goals in a previous video. Please go through the video and don't forget to share your views and subscribe to our channel to keep the content open and reachable. Please like and press the bell icon at the end of the video. So, Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs. So, what are these Sustainable Development Goals? How many Sustainable Development Goals are there? What are the dimensions of sustainable development on which these Sustainable Development Goals are based? We will be talking about all these in this next video. So, Sustainable Development Goals. At the historic United Nations General Assembly Summit in September 2015, the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development was adopted by the United Nations 193 member states. The 17 Sustainable Goals and their 169 targets are a part of this agenda. So, as you all already remember, our Millennium Development Goals as well as these Sustainable Development Goals are based on the principle of sustainable development. What is sustainable development? Able to continue over a long time. To use the resources in such a way that they are available to the present generation also and to the future generation also. And also, we are using them in such a way that we are not harming the environment. We are also using the non-renewable sources of energy. All this comes together to form sustainable development. So, these sustainable development goals, as you can see, came in the year 2015. So, they followed the Millennium Development Goals, which came in the year 2000. How many sustainable development goals are there? There are total 17 sustainable development goals along with 169 targets. And these SDGs are bold and universally agreed to end poverty and all its dimensions and craft an equal, just and secure world for people, planet and prosperity. Now, let us try to see what are these Sustainable Development Goals also called as. They are also called as the Global Goals, which were adopted by United Nations member state in 2015. They are also integrated. What do we mean by integrated? That is, they recognize that action in one area will affect outcomes in others, and that development must balance social, economic, and environmental sustainability. Pledged to leave no one behind, countries have committed to fast track progress of those furthest behind first. That is why the Sustainable Development Goals are designed to bring the world to several life-changing zeros, including zero poverty, hunger, AIDS, and discrimination against women and girls. Now, before understanding what are these Sustainable Development Goals, we will try to understand the dimensions of sustainable development. So, what are the three dimensions of sustainable development? The three dimensions of sustainable development are social, economic and environmental. Social dimension talks about health and safety. Economic dimensions talk about creation of new markets and opportunities for sales growth. Whereas environmental dimension talks about how is the environment, how to protect the environment by reducing the waste reducing the waste that we produce, which should have little impact on the human health, use of renewable materials, etc. So whatever sustainable development we are doing, it should follow all the three dimensions, that is social, economic and environmental dimensions. Now this sustainable development has 5 P's. So what are the 5 P's? They are planet, people, prosperity, peace and partnership. Planet, protect our planet's natural resources and climate for future generation. People, end poverty and hunger in all forms. Prosperity, ensure prosperous and fulfilling lives in harmony with nature. Peace, foster peaceful, just and inclusive societies. And partnership, implement the agenda through a solid global partnership. So these are the 5 P's of sustainable development. So all of you remember what are SDGs? SDGs are Sustainable Development Goals which came after Millennium Development Goals. Sustainable Development Goals were targeted in the year 2015 for a period of 15 years from 2015 to 2030. They had total 17 goals with 169 targets. All these are based on the principles of sustainable development. This sustainable development has 3 dimensions: social, economic and environmental. It is also based on the 5 P's. Now let us try to understand the 17 sustainable development goals. So the first goal, goal 1, no poverty. End poverty in all its forms everywhere. So eradicating poverty in all its forms remains one of the greatest challenges facing humanity. Let us try to see few of its targets. So all, like we have seen, the sustainable development goals have a target till 2030. So they target to reduce at least half the proportion of men, women and children of all ages living in poverty in all its dimension by 2030. Implement nationally appropriate social protection system and measures for all. Ensure that all men and women, in particularly the poor, have equal rights to economic resources and access to basic services. Create sound policy framework at the national, regional and international level. Let us see goal 2, zero hunger. End hunger and achieve food security and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. So extreme hunger and malnutrition remain a huge barrier to the development in many countries. So these SDG aim to end all forms of hunger and malnutrition by 2030, making sure all people, especially children, have sufficient nutritious food all year. Let us see the targets. So it targets to end hunger and ensure access by all people, in particular the poor and people in vulnerable situation, including infants, to safe, nutritious and sufficient food all around the year by 2030, end all forms of malnutrition and address the nutritional needs of adolescent girls, pregnant and lactating women and older person, double the agricultural productivity, ensure sustainable food production, maintain the genetic diversity of seeds, cultivated plants, and farmed and domesticated animals and the related wild species. By 2020, let us see goal 3, good health and well-being. So good health is essential to sustainable development and the 2030 agenda reflects the complexity and interconnectedness of the two. So it targeted to reduce the global maternal mortality ratio to less than 70 per 100,000 live births by 2030, end preventable deaths of newborn and children under 5 years of age, end the epidemics of AIDS, TB, malaria and neglected tropical diseases by 2030, reduce by 1/3 premature mortality from non-communicable diseases, strengthen the prevention and treatment of substance abuse, especially narcotic drug abuse and harmful use of alcohol, and halve the number of global deaths and injuries from road traffic accidents. Goal 4 is quality education. So achieving inclusive and quality education for all reaffirms the belief that education is one of the most powerful and proven vehicle for sustainable development. And this goal ensures that all girls and boys complete free primary and secondary schooling by 2030. So it targeted that by 2030 it will ensure that all girls and boys will be able to complete free, equitable and quality primary and secondary education, leading to relevant and goal for effective learning outcomes. Ensure that all girls and boys have access to quality early childhood development, care and pre-primary education so that they are ready for primary education. Ensure equal access to all women and men to affordable and quality technical and vocational and tertiary education including university. Substantially increase the number of youths and adults who have relevant skills including technical and vocational skills. eliminate gender disparity in education, ensure that all youth and a substantial proportion of adults, both men and women, achieve literacy and numeracy by 2030. Goal 5, Gender Equality. Ending discrimination against women and girls is not only a basic human right, it's crucial for sustainable future. So it is vital to give women equal rights, land and property, sexual and reproductive health, to technology and the internet. So let us try to see the targets. So it targets to end all forms of discrimination against all women and girls, eliminate all forms of violence against women and girls in public and private spheres, eliminate all harmful practices, early and forced marriage and female genital mutilation, recognize and value unpaid care and domestic work through the provision of public services, ensure women's full and effective participation and equal opportunities for leadership at all levels of decision making in political, economic and public life. Goal 6, Clean water and sanitation. So by 2050, it is projected that at least 1 in 4 people will suffer recurring water shortages. So it targeted to achieve universal and equitable access to safe and affordable drinking water, achieve access to adequate and equitable sanitation and hygiene for all, and end open defecation, paying special attention to the needs of women and girls and those in vulnerable situations, improve water quality by reducing pollution, eliminating dumping and minimizing release of hazardous chemicals and material, substantially increase water use efficiency across all sectors, implement integrated water resource management at all levels, protect and restore water-related ecosystem. Goal 7, Affordable and clean energy. So, as the population continues to grow, so will the demand for cheap energy, and an economic reliant on fossil fuels is creating drastic changes to our climate. So, investing in solar, wind and thermal power, improving energy productivity and ensuring energy for all is vital if we have to achieve the SDG 7 by 2030. So it targeted to ensure universal access to affordable, reliable and modern energy services, increase substantially the share of renewable energy, double the global rate of improvement in energy efficiency, enhance international cooperation to facilitate access to clean energy, expand infrastructure and upgrade technology for supplying modern and sustainable energy services for all in developing countries by 2030. Goal 8, Decent work and economic growth. So the SDGs promote sustained economic growth, higher levels of productivity and technological innovation. It targeted to achieve higher levels of economic productivity through diversification, technological upgrading and innovation, achieve full and productive employment and decent work for all women and men, substantially reduce the proportion of youth not in employment, education or training, take immediate and effective measures to eradicate forced labor, protect labor rights and promote safe and secure working environment for all workers, devise and implement policies to promote sustainable tourism that creates job and promotes local culture and products, strengthen the capacity of domestic financial institutions to encourage and expand access to banking, insurance and financial services for all. Goal 8, Industry, innovation and infrastructure. So technological progress is also key to finding lasting solutions to both economic and environmental challenges. Promoting sustainable industries and investing in scientific research and innovation are all important ways to facilitate sustainable development. So it targeted to develop quality, reliable and sustainable infrastructure with a focus on affordable and equitable access for all, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization, increase the access of small-scale industries, upgrade infrastructure with increased resource use efficiency, enhance scientific research, upgrade the technological capabilities, significantly increase access to information community communication technology. So these were all the targets that had to be achieved by 2030. Sustainable Development Goals 10 to Sustainable Development Goal 17 we will be talking about in our next video. I hope you would have followed and understood what are SDGs. They are based on the principle of sustainable development and what are their targets. We will try to cover the other SDGs in our next video. Till then, thank you. Goodbye.